It is time for clearing, cleaning, and cleansing before the ritual. So it's kind of a ritual before the ritual. But right now, we are clearing, cleansing, cleaning all of the items that will be used in that ceremony, including the tablecloth, the mortar and pestle, everything. The pen needs to be cleansed, the paper that will be used for affirmations and setting intentions, all of the herbs and barks and leaves that will be used in the candle work. We are going to be dressing these candles. There are 5 candles for this particular ritual. 5 white candles and 1 black candle, which will be like the vacuum cleaner that will absorb and transform anything that doesn't belong. But the grinding and combining of these different elements will be used in dressing the candles. The resins and oils will be used to anoint the candles. And in using the oil, well, another practical reason for the oil, including the anointing, is to help the herbs and combination of things to hold on to the candle. This smudge that is burning now, I actually created from different herbs and different resins and some oils, all with the intention of clearing, cleaning, and cleansing everything in a good way. So the candles representing the 5 senses. The 5 sections will be representing how 5 always shows up in nature. It's all over the place in nature. The 108 beads have a connection with the number 5. You may know that. So I just wanted to give you a little insight as to how I begin the ceremonies. Every ceremony that I do starts with basically 2 ceremonies. There's the clearing, cleaning, and cleansing of all of the items that will be used. Then there is the clearing, cleaning, and cleansing ritual. And then there's a ritual itself. Water, wood, fire, earth, metal. Oh, and chocolate, because, well, chocolate.